Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to showcase practical, relatable examples of how different types of users can benefit from Google Notebook LM. This could be students, researchers, content creators, engineers, and many other professionals. Google Notebook LM is not just another AI tool. It is a context aware AI assistant trained on your own content. And that is what makes it powerful. Let's look at how real people use it in their everyday work and learning. This is for students and learners. You can upload textbooks, lecture notes, and articles in Notebook LM. Then ask questions like, what is the summary of chapter 4? Let's say, for example, you have 600 pages book that you have to read. Maybe it is about biology or physics or economics or whatever it is. If you have soft copy with you, you upload it in Notebook LM and you can simply ask, what is the summary of chapter 4? Maybe your professor asked you in university to read about chapter 4 and come back to the class. So what you can do is you can simply upload the document and ask what is the summary of chapter 4, and Notebook LM will give you all the details about chapter 4 in simple words that you can understand. The next one is explain the concept in simple terms. Like I just said, you can also write a prompt saying that explain this concept in simple terms, and it is going to explain like it is explaining to a 10-year-old boy or kid. So the next one is what are the key dates I should remember. So if you want to remember some important years or dates from the PDF or the book, you can simply type what are the key dates I should remember, and it is going to give all the details about the dates that are mentioned in the book. Perfect for exam revision, note taking, and active learning. This is for students and learners. Now, this is for researchers and academics. If you got a pile of PDFs or research papers, you can upload them in Notebook LM and ask, what do these papers say about climate change impact? You can ask a simple question or you can type a simple prompt and it is going to give all the details. Or you could say compare the results in these two studies. If you upload two PDF documents and you can say, can you please compare the results in these two studies, it is going to give all the details about these studies. Notebook LM helps you extract insights faster and avoid information overload. So it is going to help you to extract insights quickly and it is going to avoid information overload. So you can easily get whatever information or whichever information that you are looking for. This is for content creators and writers. Use it as your creative assistant. You can upload articles, blogs, or even your previous content. Ask it to brainstorm new titles, generate outlines, or summarize topics. It is great for bloggers, YouTubers, scriptwriters, and social media creators. So you can upload articles, blogs, manuscripts, or even any content that you have written in your past, you have saved it in your computer. You can use that information to brainstorm new titles, you can generate outlines, and you can also summarize topics. This is for professionals and entrepreneurs. If you are working on a business idea or project, you can collect market research, competitor info, and strategy documents in one notebook, and you can simply ask, what are the common pain points in this market? And it is going to create reports, summaries, or presentation outlines for you. This is for lifelong learners and curious minds. If you want to explore a topic like philosophy, productivity, or technology, you can add articles, essays, and videos, and you can ask questions, get summaries, and build your own knowledge base. It is like having a personal tutor powered by your favorite content. So let us recap. If you are a student, you can study smarter, ask questions from textbooks. If you are a researcher, you can analyze multiple papers and extract insights. If you are a writer, you can brainstorm, you can summarize, and you can create content. If you are a professional, you can organize business content and you can save a lot of time. If you are a curious learner, you can build your personal library of knowledge. So, no matter who you are or what you work on, Notebook LM gives you AI support trained on your content, which means it speaks your language, understands your needs, and saves you time. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.